You can find a link to download this opcode sheet in the description of this video. Let's get started with the practical number 3. We have to pack the unpacked BCD and store the result in memory location 4300H. We have the least significant digit stored in location 4200H. Let's make it simpler. We have two numbers stored in locations 4200H and 4201H. First number is least significant digit, and second one is most significant digit of a BCD number. We have to combine these numbers and form a packed BCD. We can do this with these simple steps. First, take most significant digit and convert it into binary form. Now rotate this number 4 times from left. Doing this will shift 4 leftmost bits to the right. We got the final number 30. Now we will add the least significant digit in this number. The addition of this will be 39. That's it. We got a packed BCD. Now we have to do this with the help of a program. I will first load the most significant digit in the accumulator. As I showed you before, we have to rotate this number 4 times from the left. For this purpose, we have an instruction called RLC. This instruction will shift the leftmost bit in the carry flag and the remaining bits 1 time left. After shifting all bits, it will transfer the bit shifted in carry flag to the end position of these bits. We will use this instruction 4 times. Now we have our first number ready. I will copy this number into register B. Now we have to add the least significant digit to it. So, I will the least significant number in the accumulator. After that, using add instruction, I can add those two numbers. Now we have our packed BCD in accumulator. Finally, I will store this number in the memory location 4300H as mentioned in the question. Adding halt instruction to end the program. We have successfully packed the unpacked BCD and stored the result in memory. Let's solve the next question. In this question, we have a packed BCD number, and we have to unpack the BCD and store the result in memory. Lower digit of BCD, that is least significant digit of BCD, is to be stored in memory location 4300H. First we will understand this in simple way. We have to do completely opposite as we did in the previous question. We have to split this number into 2 parts. We can do this with these simple steps. Take the packed BCD and write it in binary form. Now perform AND operation of this number with 0F. This will mask the higher nibble. We got the least significant digit of BCD. Now again take the binary format of packed BCD number. This time perform AND operation with the number F0. This will mask the lower nibble. We got the number 30. Now we have to rotate this number from the left 4 times. We got the number 03, which is most significant digit of BCD. Now we will be doing this with the help of a program. First I will load the packed BCD from memory in the accumulator. We have an instruction ANI that performs AND operation between accumulator and another 8-bit number. Now we got our least significant digit of BCD in accumulator. We will store this number from the accumulator to the memory location 4300H. We will again load the packed BCD number in the accumulator. This time, we will mask the lower nibble by performing AND operation with F0. We will rotate this number 4 times to the left. You can also perform the right rotation 4 times. Now we got our most significant digit of BCD in accumulator. Finally, we will store this number from accumulator to the memory location 4301H. Finally, halt instruction to end the program. We have successfully unpacked the packed BCD number and stored the result in memory. If this video has helped you, please show your support by liking the video, share this knowledge with others and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.